How to apply for mortgage with Santander Bank. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Open any of the browser and search for santanderbank.com. You will be directed to the official page of Santander Bank. Over here you're gonna find different options. Head towards this option of borrowing, click on it. Now two options will pop up as personal loans and mortgages. Click on this option of mortgages. Right now, Santander Bank has teamed up with the Rocket Mortgage. So if you want to apply for the mortgage, you can click on this option of learn more. Through Rocket Mortgage, you can only apply for home loans. So if you want to continue, you can click on this option of learn more. Click on that option, click here. How would you like to begin? You can speak with an expert or apply online. You can select this option of apply online and click on continue. Would you like to purchase a new home or refinance an existing mortgage? You can choose the option of purchase a new home or refinance an existing mortgage. You can select the option of your choice and click on apply online now. Now scroll down and click on this option of start my application. Now here you have to provide information about your likes and interests about the houses, and then you are good to go. At top you can find different options as current home, future home, your info, approval. You have to go through all of these four processes. After completion of those processes, your mortgage will be applied. So this is how you can apply for a mortgage with Santander Bank. If this video was helpful to you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.